Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Now let me ask you this. Who wouldn't want free Amazon gift cards? I mean, Amazon sells just about everything, so getting free gift cards is basically like getting free money. And today, I'm sharing the best way to get free Amazon gift cards in 2025, and I've personally tested this method so I know it works. In fact, I recently cashed out, and I'm going to show you the proof in just a second. So if you're tired of surveys that take forever or apps that never actually pay out, then this is the video for you. Stick around, because this method is legit, easy, and completely free. All right, let's get into it. The method I'm talking about is a website called FundZap. I tried this site myself, and I can confirm that it delivers exactly what it promises. Free Amazon gift cards without the usual hassle. So how does it work? It's actually really simple. First, open your browser and go to fundzap.com. This site offers access to a variety of digital gift cards, discounts, and other exclusive rewards. In the search bar, type Amazon to find available gift cards. Right now, I can see that they have $50 and $100 Amazon gift cards in stock. Now, to unlock your gift card code, you'll need to complete two simple tasks. The site provides a list of trusted apps from the App Store and Google Play. These are all legitimate apps. Simply complete the requirements for two of them. Let's go ahead and do it together. And just like that, you've got yourself a free Amazon gift card. No gimmicks, no fake promises, just real rewards. Now I know what you might be thinking. Does this actually work? Well, let me show you real proof. As you can see, I cashed out an Amazon gift card after using FundZap, and the process was super smooth. I didn't have to wait weeks to get my reward. It was delivered fast. So yes, FundZap is 100% legit, and if you're looking for an easy way to get Amazon gift cards, this is definitely worth checking out. Now let me quickly tell you why this method is better than most other options out there. No long surveys. You don't have to waste hours answering boring surveys for pennies. No waiting forever. Some sites take weeks to send rewards, but FundZap pays out fast. No complicated steps. It's literally just signing up, completing offers, and cashing out. Works worldwide. Many people can access this site no matter where they live. So instead of spending hours doing things that barely earn you anything, you can use a proven method that actually pays. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you've tried FundZap or if you have any other great ways to earn free gift cards. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more legit ways to make and save money online. I've got tons of awesome content coming your way.